In this video, we will show you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace website. In here, for example, you create schedule on the Calendly by creating the schedule one-on-one, for example. I will creating new meeting over data. Okay, and then you click create. After that, here, this is the preview of our meeting schedule. We can click save change and we can close here. Here you can see you have the meeting list. And to integrate into your Squarespace website, first in here, you need to click this and select add to website. And let's see, in here, you can using three methods using inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. We will try to using two, inline embed and the pop-up widget. Then go to your Squarespace website and click on the dashboard here, select settings. Okay, we will create the special page to embed that. Okay, click page and for example plus blank page and give the name of your page, for example schedule. Okay, after you creating the page, just click edit. Okay, add section and select blank section, add block, and in here just select code. Okay, make sure you have to center this. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, then we need to click the pencil icon and you can see there is HTML. You can get the HTML with the inline. Okay, this is the first, and you can copy this. After that, you can back into the editor and click save. When you click exit, you can have the preview here. You can see this is the first method. For the size of the frame, you can just adjust the block. Okay, now the second, we will also embed the second. Okay, we will embed the pop-up widget. So with the pop-up widget, it will appear on the bottom right corner of your Squarespace. Click continue and copy this. Okay, click edit on your Squarespace and select your code. Click pencil icon and place in here. Okay, so we have two code in here. Click save and click exit. Now you can preview the result. Okay, you have two options in here. You can directly embed onto the page or embed as button like this. Okay, that's all tutorial how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace website. Thanks for watching.